Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. It's your boy Etiforex, the major of boom and crash, major of indices. All right, so we're killing the markets. Okay, I just dropped the signal on my VIP and we are running good profits right now. Remember, the last video I dropped on this channel was about how to go against the spike. I'm about to show you guys again my method. I've been showing you guys different methods on how to go against the spike or how to trade the financial markets in general. Okay, so this one here, this is B300. This is B300. I can see we're running good profit, and we have our first target right here to make $20 from our entry, and the second target, which is a TP2, to make $37. So, and we've opened three positions. I just opened three positions, and that three positions gonna give me like about $80 to $90. All right, if we hit our TP. But if you go against me, I'll be losing like $45. Okay, so that's the target, right? So I want to quickly show you guys. It's almost the same method that I showed you guys yesterday, but I think there should be, since it's not the same setup, I'll show you something different somehow, but it's still almost the same thing. Do you understand? So before I go on, if you're new on our channel, please, I'm begging, please, you need to show us this love. You need to support us. You need to encourage me to do more of this content, right? Because as I'm dropping this content, I'm actually showing you guys exactly what I've been doing, what I used to do in the market, all right? So I want you guys to show this love by subscribing to this channel. It's very important, okay? You might think this video is not useful, but once you start getting the experience, that's when you know how important the informations I'm dropping here are. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop some good comments, share the video with friends, okay, and join the free Telegram channel. Okay, yeah. When you come into this market, before you start making money, make sure that you join. Maybe you need to start learning how to analyze the markets, how to do stuff here. You don't just come here and start making money. That's the mistake I made when I started. I started making money, I started investing, and I was blowing accounts like every day till I now discovered that this is something I can equally do without stress. Okay, without stress. So make sure that you learn, and please don't send money to anybody to trade for you. Like send money to somebody to double accounts for you. It does not work that way. They're all scammers. Those ones are scammers. Okay, so yeah, B300. Like I said, let me quickly delete everything completely and start from top. Okay. Oh, or delete all my analysis. Okay, so this is it. From the very top, we have this is my daily chart. Okay, this is my daily chart. If I go on my daily chart, it will be a bit confusing. Okay, so let me start from the 4 hours so that it not look like I'm stressing you guys out, right? So on the 4 hours time frame, we have a downtrend. We have a downtrend. How do we know? How do you know we have a downtrend? Because we have the trend going down like this. You can see that we have the trend going down like this. It might not be obvious enough. Then let's check the 1 hour chart for you to see the trend. You can see the trend, right? We have a downtrend. So this is a downtrend, and we've not gotten to the bottom of it, bottom of this trend, which is down here. So market is about going down to that point again. So on the 4 hours chart, we can see that we are in the downtrend. That is a bearish structure. Okay, then after the bearish structure, the next thing we need to know is, are we taking this trade from a strong resistance zone? Yes, that's a zone. That's a resistance zone. You can see that market has been reversing around that area. There was a reversal here. There was a reversal here. There was another one here. Though it's just a week you're seeing, but if you go to a lower time frame, you see the rejection very well. The reversal very well. There was a reversal here, another reversal here, So if we can see go down like this, you would see that we still have more touches to that resistance here and here, even here. You have more touches to that resistance. So that makes it that makes it a key resistance on our charts. Okay, that makes it a key resistance on our chart. So market is dropping from that key resistance and it's a downtrend. All right, market is dropping from that resistance and it's a downtrend. Okay, so now we check and we see the previous candlestick dropped. Previous 4 hours candlestick was a bearish candlestick. Okay, then we check on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have something inside here, like a minor zone here, where market has been reversing over time, something like that. You can see market reversed here too. Market reversed here and here. So since I could not catch this market when the reversal was happening up here, since I could not catch when the reversal was happening up here, so I was looking for an entry to make an entry. So I saw when markets dropped, market was going down to this point, market went down. Yeah, markets went down. Market was coming down to this point, then went back to retest this minor resistance. Okay, this minor resistance zone. So market went back to retest this resistance zone, and after testing this zone, it printed this candlestick on the 30 minutes time frame. You can see the candlestick on the 30 minutes time frame. You can see the rejection, long rejection on the 30 minutes time frame. This is a doji, though it's not my ideal doji. This is a bullish doji, but then it's a doji with a long rejection to the upside. So after seeing this, I decided to, open my position right there, and we're running in profits. Now my SL is far to this level because I'm using the least lot size, which is 1 lot size on this B300. That's the least lot size. B300, 1 lot size. That's the least lot size, right? So now this is our target. We have the first target down here because market is dropping very well. We have the first target down here, right? And our second target is down to this point. Now we are expecting market to move back again. Let's go back again to this other side of the trend, this downside of the trend, something like this, back to this point because it's a downtrend, and probably break below this zone because market moves in waves, right? So you can see we have almost the same setup with the video I uploaded last, right? Almost the same setup with the video uploaded on this channel last. So now this is how you go against the spike. Now it does not mean because you're trading boom you shouldn't sell boom because it will spike upward. No, if you do your analysis very well, you just do your analysis and allow it to run. Trust me, I dropped this signal on the VIP. This is not a joke. We are making money already. We are making good money already. Okay, so that's how to do your analysis. Very simple, even when you are going against the spike or you're going the direction of the spike. So now you can see we're going against the spike, and we are running good profits without fear, and we know how much we're willing to risk. We are willing to lose, right? So if market goes against us, we know, okay, we're losing $45, but if we're making the profits, we might be making like $90 to $100, right? So now we know how much we're willing to let go and how much we're willing to make in this market. So this is a good setup and it's running in good profits. All right, so I want you to watch this video to the very end, and if you did not understand, watch it again and make sure that you join our academy and start making money for yourself. Okay, my students moved a $30 account from $30 to about $400. Trust me, this is not a joke. I'm not saying this to make anybody happy or to tease anybody. I'm just telling the truth. And funny enough, this student been watching my video, the one I've been recording in my classes. Whenever you have a class, I must record whatever we discussed, the questions and everything, so that it will help someone that was not there. Even the people that were there, they will go back to the video and watch over and over for better understanding. So just watching those videos alone, the guy is killing the market already. I have so many of them that are doing so well. All right, so that's it. We just had a little spike right there to keep going down. gradually it will spike. So now when you're going trading against a spike, don't worry, it will spike, but it will definitely come down. So far your analysis was right, it will still come down. Even if it goes to this point above your entry, so far your analysis is right, it will keep on going down till it gets to your TP level. All right, so that's it, guys. Join the academy, join the VIP, make money for yourself. 2024 shouldn't end without you making good money and having good equity on your accounts. Okay, so join me, let's work together. I will never chat you first. Please don't allow anybody to deceive you. I will never chat you first. I'm not doing any form of investment. Don't send money to me to invest for you and send you back 3 times of what you sent. I don't do that. That's not my business. So I'll never chat you first. Please, if you want to reach me, check the description of this video. Chat me up on WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, make sure that you don't send money to anybody. Thank you.